Yes, the latest edition of 1Password makes its way to Android and iOS, rebuilt as an all-new app. It wasn't that long ago that 1Password 8 arrived for macOS, bringing a refined look and more familiar interface, but there was no love for mobile devices. Apparently, 1Password 8 for Android and iOS wouldn't work as a direct update and needed to be an entirely new app instead. 1Password 8 on mobile offers more customization options, so you can decide what you want to see most often and where you want it to appear on your home screen. A new navigation bar makes it easier to snap back to the home screen, grants access to other items from all of your connected accounts, and will let you easily search for anything you can't find right away. Watchtower is also being added for mobile and can be accessed immediately from the navigation bar. The updated feature will give you at-a-glance details on possible security issues, as well as recommend ways to improve your account's security. It can let you know if your account may have been part of a data breach, too, so you can change your password immediately. You can download 1Password 8 now on Android or iOS and set up a free 14-day trial, after which you can sign up for a $3.99 monthly subscription or a $35.99 annual membership. This is all for now. Hope you found this video helpful. Hope to see you all in the next video. Until then, goodbye.